truck time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab. Now, this particular truck did come with a build sheet. I also have pictures of the glove box tag that's going to have the options on it. Also a picture of the door tag, which is going to have the VIN. And you'll be able to see those all in the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out in just a bit here. First of all, underneath the hood, 350 V8. Looks like a good wrench engine was installed in there at some point in time. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. It's a nicely equipped truck. I'll let you take a good close look at the front grille, bumper, headlights around so you can see that. Showing a little wear here in some of the bright work, FYI. Originally a Hugger orange and white truck also, and you'll be able to see that from the build sheet and the glove box sticker. Now, where you want to check those out, in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on 17-inch rally wheels, Goodyear radial tires. Now, as far as the paint on this, I would not say it's a high-end Trailer Queen paint job by any means. But has it been done in your 5-10 foot back? Got a nice look to it, and as you can see, it's got a decent shine to it. But again, some of the body work, you will be able to see it if you look up and down the long panels, and I'll kind of point out a few spots that I did notice on it also. Interior, bench seat, does have a seat cover on it. Has seen better days. I'm not going to take that all off there. I'm going to leave that on there. Otherwise, rubber flooring in nice shape. Rest of the dash in good shape. Has had a retro sound radio added to it. Looks like some of the gauges were replaced also. Newer exhaust. Updated fuel tank also. And rear fill right back there in the bed, FYI. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's one of the spots. You can see they touched up a little dinger on the tailgate there. And we do have a spray-in style bed liner, light coating. And once again, still pictures. You'll be able to see this truck top to bottom, inside and out. Engine bay, and we're going to start it up here in a little bit. Let you check that out too. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side here. This is one spot I noticed it looked like they got a little bit thick with the paint up here. We can kind of see it if I get up on it close. So that's kind of what I'm talking about. I mean, there's imperfections really put it on. It's probably not a real high-end or expensive job, but if you step back, take a look at it from here. Orange looks pretty sharp. Gotta love Hugger orange in the Chevy colors. All right, let's check out this interior. Looking pretty stock in here. Door panels. And again, here's that VIN plate. And there'll be a picture of that in the still pictures, as well as, like I said, that build sheet and then the sticker from the glove box. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Good sounding truck. Starts easily, fires right up. But here you can see it looks like some of the gauges were replaced. Fuel gauge is working, and there you can see radio also working. Oil pressure, gauge is working. Turn that radio off a second. Wipers, I'll show you them working. So you kind of have it. Remaining pretty stock in the interior, with the exception of maybe some gauges replaced. Radio, of course, the seat cover. All right, kind of slip off to the side so you can hear that. Exhaust dumps underneath. Turn down exhaust tips. It's a good sounding 350, and again, that's paired up with an automatic transmission. check that out in the still pictures. But first, I'm going to pause this. Let's open the hood, let you take a look at it running.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here you go, look at the engine bay. Again, good wrench. 350 in there, as you can see. Headers, that is paired up with a newer exhaust, power steering, power brakes. That is an Edelbrock carb on there. Edelbrock intake. Looks like a Performer RPM to me. Smooth running 350. Sounds good too. Heater hose is still hooked up. There you go, 1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email